Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel How To. In this video I am going to show you that how you can stop ads appearing in your mobile notification bar. For example, like this, many apps are showing notifications or ads. So you have to go to settings, then connection and sharing. Then click on private DNS. You can see it is auto. So you have to click on private DNS and write here dns.adguard.com. Press save. So now you will not see more ads like this on your mobile notification bar. And second method is, if you are seeing ads, so just you have to click and press this and hold, and then you can see the restrict notification. Click on this. If you press this, restrict all notification from this app, so I will click OK. So now I will not see any ads from this application. Third method is, go to settings, then manage apps. After you have want to manage apps, then you have to go your desired app which is showing most of ads. For example, UC browser, or it could be share it. So I will click on app permission. Then you can see here notification. If I disable this notification button, so it will not show more ads in future on my mobile screen. This is for all today. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for more videos like this.